Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and today I'm going to show you 2 beginner-friendly ways to do a rolled hem. The rolled hem is one of my favorite ways to finish garments because it's very easy to do and it makes the edges nice and clean so they don't fray. The first method is to take your fabric, fold the edge over once, and then we're going to fold the edge over one more time to cover up the raw edge. Then secure it with a pin, and we're going to keep doing this along the length of the edge. Now, if you want a more precise hem, you could use a ruler to measure it out, but honestly, for most projects, I just end up eyeballing it. Then either machine sew or hand sew the fabric into place. And now we have a nice and neat rolled hem. And now on to the second method. This works well if you're using a very slippery fabric, you want a very narrow rolled hem, or if you're simply not comfortable with the first method. So what we're going to do is take our fabric and fold it over to do a basic hem and pin it into place. Then we're going to keep going along the length of the fabric. Sew the fabric into place. Now that our basic hem is done, we're going to take the fabric and fold it over one more time, using pins to hold it into place, or you can also iron it, and keep going along the length of the fabric. Alternatively, for a very narrow hem, you can use a pair of scissors to trim away the excess fabric before folding it over. Now that the fabric has been trimmed away, we're going to fold the edge over and pin it into place, just like we did earlier. Sew the newly folded fabric into place. This method takes a little bit more work, but still results in a nice rolled hem. And that is 2 ways to do a rolled hem. I hope you found this video helpful. For more sewing and cosplay related tutorials, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.